Hi, my name is Matt, co-founder of Greenslant. The purpose of these videos are to give you action items that will help your online business and can be set up in 10 to 15 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an offer and a product to your Google business page. I'm going to jump right in here. Um, First, you start by typing in business.google.com. Um, from here, if you already have a business Google business account set up, you can just sign right in. Just click Manage Now. Make sure you sign into your business, the email you use for your business. And as soon as you sign in here, you're going to come to a dashboard, your My Business dashboard. Here, I have several different businesses added in. So if you have more than one business or more than one location, you can add multiple businesses and multiple locations in your Google My Business dashboard. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to add an offer. And this is Food Blankets, which is one of our brands that we created, and it's owned and operated by Greenslant. So I'm going to jump right in here. As you can see, this is the main dashboard for the Food Blankets Google business page. From here, you'll see there's several different options here on the right. If you haven't completed all this information, make sure you fill it in. You can add in your service areas, hours. If you don't have hours, you can just take the hours out. You can add in your phone number, website URL. But this is all pretty self-explanatory. Once you jump in here, just make sure you fill out all this information. It really helps with your organic search engine rankings in Google. When people are searching you, you'll come right up, and I'll show you how it looks in a moment. But from here, you go to posts, and in here you can, first I'm going to show you how to add an offer. You can add an offer here. Let me see here, and this is all completely free. So if you haven't done this yet, and it really helps with your organic reach in your search engine optimization for your business. So here I'm gonna do an offer for the Food Blankets. We have March, so we'll do March Madness sale. 20% off, store wide. So here we can just add in. You can add in a photo. Here we go. Let me find a photo here. And this is completely free. You can add as many offers as you want. You can add products. You can add events. I'm going to show you how to add a product in a moment. I'm going to do this sale till the end of March. 20% off. Offer details. This is all optional. You can do a coupon code. You can do terms and conditions. And then we don't need a time here. Publish. One thing I didn't add in there was the link. So you can add a link directly to your website. Publish. So this is now live. You can add as many offers as you'd like. This is completely free through Google's Business Manager. So you'll see offers. You can add what's new. You can add, if you have upcoming events, you can add upcoming events. If you have a company update, you can add that. And then also you can add products. You can either do that here, or you can go to the products tab on the left. And as you can see, we have all of our products added in here, most of them. And this is what it looks like on Google. So you come here, we have our phone number here on the top, and people can click through your products and purchase them. There's direct links to your product, your website, when they click to buy. So this is our website, and it's completely free. And it's something I think every business should have. You can add in physical products, you can add in your services, and just keep this updated, continuously updated. And then, for example, if somebody comes in and searches in Google food blankets, the food blankets, you'll see us come up here. And these are the products. And then people can ask questions, send us a message directly through here. So if you don't already have this set up, I highly recommend getting your Google business page set up. If you already have it set up and haven't added products or offers or haven't updated it, I highly suggest getting that updated and continuously keep that updated. And then if you have more than one location, you can add in more than one location as well. I hope this helps. And we have archived videos at greenslant.com/action. Again, that's greenslant.com/action. Thank you.